Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to Bitcoin price prediction, Bitcoin forecast, or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again. We came back in another video. So, as every time, if you are a long-term trader, stick with us all here in the daily. If you are a swing trader, go to the 4 hours, and if you are a scalper and day trader, go to 30 minutes, and you're going to find timeline down the description of that video. So go choose depending on your trading style, and the timeline to start your trading style. So let's start the lesson of today. By the way, before we even start, you watching me now, are you not yet subscriber? Why, my friend, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. It's not something hard, just a red button down, click at it, next to it a bell, turn it to all, so like that when we put in a new video, you're going to be notified. Or you can even join us in Telegram and Discord, where we given daily signals there. Also, we kill it today. We enter a short from the peak here till now. It's hitting for us the first take profit, the second take profit, and it's going to hit for us the third take profit. Even you can benefit from those things just by $10 per month, my friend. It's not expensive. The link of our Telegram and Discord is down in the description of that video. You done it? Welcome to the family. So guys, as you see that the Bitcoin here in the daily chart, today we saw a big rejection happening here with a big pin bar here, as you see it. If we zoom in here and we see those things here, as you see that big pin bar here, what happened here, it's very clear pin bar there. Should we enter short now here in the daily? In the daily, not yet, my friend. In the daily, actually you need to go more long than that, I tell you that. But also we're still waiting the break to happen of that 31k. People, they are with me for some time now, they know all those things. Also now here, risk free, as we say that, there is nothing to lose. That the difference between us and other people. Now what shall we do here at that level here? Here in the daily there is nothing to do, you just need to wait. Now here the market try to give you here like a small trend line here. If that one getting broke down here, yes, you can enter short, or you can even making something like that, like a symmetric triangle between the peak of that one, and you're waiting where is the break going to happen. Until now we're still waiting. And another thing very important here, that candle here will finish it. It's Monday candle, guys. People, they've been with me here in that channel for some times, they know what's Monday candle, so be careful, guys. Another thing very important here in the daily, let me show it to you, is it that one here, those moving averages. As you see the Bitcoin here, it touched the 50 and the 200 moving average here, and it show us their rejection, like how it happened last time here. It happened the same thing now here. What shall we do, guys? Shall we get scared? We enter short till now, or we still between the 50 and 100. So you need to be careful. We need to wait in the Bitcoin till it's breaking above the 200 moving average for us to know, or we go back to a bull market. So till now it's still very early. You need to wait till a candle came and close above that 100 and 200 moving average, like how it happened here. You see it here, that when it started the bull market. Till now we don't got nothing, so you need to wait more, guys. Everything is too clear, guys, here. Now let's go in to see the coming news of today for pictures to get more clear to you. So let's go in there. Here we are, guys. That's the coming news of today. As you see, we don't got something special today. We got interest rate decision of the Aussie or Australia, and we got the jobs opening of USA about the jobs. But USA now, it's not that the problem. The problem is that government shutdown, that you need to make a close attention at it, what they are going to do about it, because till now there is no clear picture. Even that new deal of 45 days, it will not sort out something. So that the big dilemma now, we need to focus about it, what they are going to do in the future. They need to reach to a deal. That's the big problem. That week we got non-farm payroll, we got unemployment rate, but all that it will not affect the market for long run, just for short term. For long run, it's need the US government to sort out those problems of them. So I think everything is too clear here. And here is our friend, as you remember, every day as we analyze it. As As you see it, US stocks, the closing Monday candle, the SP 500 and the Nasdaq, both of them green here. So what that telling us? It's telling us we're going to see another red week in the US market. That another story. We need to focus about it. What the market is going to do all the week about it. Now us we are not clear yet, and I'm so sorry I haven't put for you the videos about the SP 500 and the Nasdaq in the other channel. We are going to start it again. And here it's our friend, guys. As you see it, the VIX. Its currency is still very high, 17. And also we are very close to 20, and that's what I told you. I told you we are going to 20, then after that we're going to bounce from there. Till now we haven't reached there. That means it's still more going up, so you need to wait in more, guys. And down here it's our friend the dollar index. It's still giving us new high 106, but today it came the ISM, and the ISM it came very positive. Let's hope it's going to start falling down. Till now there is nothing, so also we need to wait more till we got a clear picture in the DXY, guys. So everything is too clear here. Now let's go into see the Ethereum what it's doing today. So let's go in there. Here we are in the Ethereum price prediction, guys. As you see here, the Ethereum same like Bitcoin. It came here to that level here, as you see it. After yesterday, that big jump of FTX, because that jump yesterday here will give us a new high. It caused by FTX, because FTX they got a lot of Ethereum stored in another wallet, and yesterday they moved it, they exchanged it to Bitcoin. Some people they told me it's need the Ethereum to fall down. People they buy from them the Ethereum, that will make the Ethereum to jump up a little bit, but today it fell down as you see it. Look at it here, it came here, then from here it fell down again. Now what shall we do at that level here? At this time there is nothing, because you are here in a very stronger supply and demand zone. As you see it, that one here, it's getting broke. Market went up, it touched that one, it reversed here, it touching that one here. Until now also we don't got any price action here, so also we are not going to enter short, guys. And in the Ethereum, me I'm still waiting. Even if I show you my chart what I got here, let me show it to you. As you see what I got here, I got the trend line. I started from here and here, it came to it, the market show me here that pin bar here, so maybe it's going to go back up to give us here a price action here. Till now we don't got nothing here in the Ethereum, so also we still waiting till we got a clear picture for us to enter short. If there is nothing there, we are not going to enter short. We need to wait till we got clear picture. Let's see our indicator what it's saying. Our indicator, guys, as you see it, it touch here the overbought area, it fall down. Now we are here in that middle here. Now from here maybe we're going to go back up, or from here is going to break down. Where is the bears they controlling? Till now also we still in a bull market in the Ethereum. Remember those things. Till now also we still here in a bull market, guys. So maybe from here we're going to go back. So till now don't got a clear picture. We need to wait in more till we got a clear picture here, and the chart behavior to give us here a price action telling us the market is going to reverse. Till now we don't got nothing, so also we still waiting till we got a clear picture. Everything is too clear. Now let's go into see Bitcoin what it's doing today in the 4 hours, guys. So let's go in there. Here we are in the Bitcoin. Here in the 4 hours is only for swing trading. Here, same like the Ethereum, as you see that the level as we've been talking about all along. Is it here? That one here. We started from here. We came here. They try to push up because they know other people they have here stop loss. They hate it. And also we enter from the top here. From the place where they hit the stop loss, we enter short. That's why it's hitting for us the first take profit and the second take profit. You can join us to benefit from those things, my friend. Yesterday it hit for me the stop loss here because I enter a short from here, but today I back all the money I lose plus profit. Now here in the 4 hours, what shall we do? You can make a small trend line like that, as you see it from here. That's the first trend line. Second trend line you can make it like that. That one is still far away from it, the market, and here you got a up channel, guys. You see it or no? That a up channel here, very clear. It's been touched here. Market fall down here, go up here. It touch it now here. It touch the top here, so that one maybe is going to fall down till it will touch it down here at 26k. Then from there, maybe we're going to enter another long, but at this time, also we're still in an up channel, and that's what's happening here. That normal here, because the market, as I've been teaching you, the market doesn't go up like that. The market is always working with waves, and look at that wave here, high, low. I will give you here another high, so maybe it's going to fall down to give you another low. Then from there it will go up again. So till now you need to wait till you got a clear picture here in the 4 hours, guys. Also we enter short in smaller time frames, but here in the 4 hours we need to wait till the market give us here a price action like how it give it to us here. That way also we enter short like how it give it to us down here. That way also we enter long. Now we don't got nothing here, so we need to wait till we got a clear price action. Everything too clear, guys? Let's go into our indicator with it saying. That one here, as you see it, it's been here at the overbought area. It's been technically also we need to enter short. Also we enter a short in smaller time frames because also we been following the multi time frames. That's why also we enter a short. But here in the 4 hours for swing trading, there is nothing yet. You need to wait until you got a clear picture. Yeah, no, we don't got nothing, so you need to wait in more, guys. And that one maybe is going to fall down till it will touching down here. And after that, we're going to see what's going to happen. Now, us, we are in a downtrend, as you see it, because here in our indicator, it's more accurate in the chart. It's breaking for us that trend line here. It's need to break it in the chart for you to enter short if it doesn't give you a price action. So you need to wait in more, guys, till you got a clear price action in the chart. The good news here, also we're still in a place where is the bulls they're controlling. There is no bears yet. There is no bears controlling. The bears they being down here. Over here is only the bulls who controlling now. And that correction will happening, that halt in the market. Maybe you're going to see another jump coming soon. So that's why me every time I'm telling you, if you want professional interest, when to enter exactly and when to go out exactly, you can join us in Telegram and Discord where we giving daily signals. Also, we don't give you 100% accurate, but it's a high percent of winning rate. You can join us and benefiting from those things. Then you test it and you see. So everything is too clear, guys, here. Now let's go into see our other indicator what it's saying. That one here, same thing as you see it. Also, we are here at the overbought area. Level, also we are in a very stronger supply and demand zone. Should we enter short? Till now, not yet. It's need the market to give us here a price action or another scenario to break that trend line which is down here, or also enter short. If it's broke here, yes, you can enter short. In our other indicator, I will just show you it's getting broke, but here in the chart it hasn't because that indicator it's more fast than the chart. Now here, if it's breaking here, that means there is more drop, and I told you exactly to where. I told you need to come and to do a channel like that. As you see, that channel me I'm talking about, it's very clear. It's going to fall down till here, till 26k. Then from there, maybe we're going to see another jump upward. Then now the Bitcoin is showing to us is going to fall down till down here, guys, at 26,793.04. At the level where it's going to fall down the Bitcoin. And from there, we're going to see another jump. So I think everything is too clear. Now let's go into 30 minutes to see what the Bitcoin doing today for scalping and day trading. So let's go in there. Here we are in 30 minutes. Over here is only for scalping and day trading. Here also we enter a short today based on that double top here as you see it. It's broken here, the neckline here, that one here by that candle here. Also we enter a short. The first take profit of us, it's being hit by that candle here or the tail of that candle here, because also we make it very close because the market is been going up. So also we need to protect ourselves first. Then the second take profit is being hit by that candle here. Now also we are risk free. The stop loss is it at the break even. If it falls down more than that, we're going to collect in more premium. If it's not, also we taking more than fair enough now. Now at that time, what should you do now? At that time you got here, that trend line here, as you see it, that trend line here. If it's broken here, that means it's going to fall down more than that, or maybe the market to give you here a price action and it's going to reverse from here. But till now we don't got nothing. It's our indicator what it's saying. Our indicator, that one here, that way also we enter a short, because if you see in here, you see here that one is falling and that one is going up here. That way also we enter a short because we got a very clear divergence divergence, guys. That way also we been looking here for a price action. In the first I been looking here, but the market move up. It gave me here the double top. We enter in it, we catch it, all of it down. Now also we still waiting what the market is going to give us here, because now is night. So till tomorrow then also we're going to see what the market is going to give us here. I think it's going to fall down more than that, and that indicator of us, as you see it, guys, it touch here the oversold area. That means technically us we need to looking for buy, but till now we don't got any price action, so we need to wait till the price action tell us you need to enter long. Till now we don't got nothing here, so we need to wait. Everything is too clear, guys. So that's it for that video, and please make sure to support us by just smashing the like button, writing down a comment, and if you could even share the video. You done it. Thank you very much, my friends. See you in another video, guys. Bye for now.